Hello everyone, welcome to another program of Scratch. Today we are going to create a program by moving backgrounds or stages. First we'll delete the sprite and we'll click here in paint. Paint, and we'll in the corner we will click to the backdrop and choose Night City. We will convert to vector and we will copy. We'll click here and paint again and paste. We'll paste one more time. We'll click paste one more time, and now we'll connect it together. Just a minute. Like this straight. Go back to code and we'll make this. Wait again. Try to make it straight as possible. Wait. Oh, it's very hard. Okay. Okay, we'll do here and go to events. Take one clicked. Go to looks. I'll just zoom it a little bit. Now we'll go to looks and go to back layer. We'll go to motions and go to X, Y. We'll make this as 0. Both X and Y coordination should be 0. Now we'll go to controls and take the forever loop. We'll go to motions back again and change by X, change by X minus 5. Okay. Now we'll go to control and take if, then go to operators and take less than 50. We'll write this 50 as minus 465, 465, and go to motions and take X, and the last take X position. Go to here and go to X 460, 465. First 65. Leave the Y coordination as 0. Now we'll play it. It's going, but here is a problem. It's not going the way we wanted, so we'll duplicate it. Here we'll make some changes. We'll make this as 465. 465. Leave the rest as it is. Now we'll stop it and play again. Now it's going the way we wanted. We'll go to sprites and take convertible. We'll keep this here and go to sprites back again and take convertible 2. We'll keep the car here. Now it looks like a traffic traffic, city traffic. Now you can also play sounds if you want. I'll show you. We'll go to sounds and we'll go here and search traffic, TRAF, traffic. Now we'll go to code back and take sound. Play sound traffic until done. Go to events and take when clicked flag. We'll stop it. Playing the sound. We'll take forever lock and keep it here.